Riddle me this, mother lecker.
The problem in this video comes from a 1982 SAT exam. This math problem was so hard that no one selected the correct answer. Can you figure it out? In the following figure, circle A has 1/3 the radius of circle B. Circle A rolls around circle B one trip back to its starting point. How many times will circle A revolve in total? The answer choices are 3 halves, 3 6, 9 halves and 9. Get out some pencil and paper and see if you can figure it out. Remember, this was on the SAT, so it's a timed exam and the students would have had to figure it out just using pencil and paper. Here's what the test preparers thought when they made the question. If circle A rolls around a distance of 3 times its circumference, if you do it very carefully, you'll find that circle A will roll around 3 times in total, and that's what they thought the correct answer should be. But let's do a little experiment and see what actually happens if we have circle A rolling around circle B. I've made cardboard cutouts of these circles. If circle A starts at the top and I carefully roll it around circle B, after 1/4 of the distance, circle A has already revolved around 1 time. When we go halfway around circle B, circle A around a second time. As we continue around, we'll see that by 3/4 of the distance, circle A will roll a 3rd time, and when we complete the trip as circle A rolls around circle B, when it completes the trip, this will be a 4th time that circle A has rolled round. So the correct answer is 4, and they actually made a mistake. They did not include this as the correct answer. They forgot to take into account that circle A is revolving around circle B, and that would have added 1 more trip around. Let's try and solve this problem. In general, imagine having 2 coins of equal circumference. You would think the answer might be 1, but you see that when the coin rolls around halfway, it's already rolled around 1 time. When it rolls around the remaining distance, it will roll around a 2nd time. So we can solve this problem, and we'll see the correct answer is that circle A will roll around n plus 1 times. The reason is that circle B has n times the circumference, and that will account for n times that the circle A revolves around itself. But then we will also get 1 more revolution because circle A is also revolving around the center of circle B. So the correct answer is n plus 1. It's a pretty interesting problem. Did you figure it out?
Riddle me this, mother lecker.